Okay, guys, so just go back on erase and then erase the arm on the avatar and then go back on Pics Art and then you're gonna just put your character with the background. So put your background first. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so put your background first and then you're gonna put your avatar there. And then you're going to now put your arm back and pose something nice. You can erase a part or like to make it bend or something if you want to do that. Then this is my pose I'm gonna do. I couldn't find the right one. Oh my gosh, I can't find one. The right one. Okay, I should do this one. Okay. And then we're just gonna say just posing because this is just a test or something. So yeah. And then we're gonna put a little stroke. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Goodbye.